There is a lot of confusion in the society regarding who has to get home treatment for COVID-19 coronavirus. I've heard from many people unable to decide whether they have to go to the hospital, whether they have to go get a treatment in the at home or not. Ideally speaking, home treatment for COVID-19 coronavirus is dependent on case by case basis. It means individually, like every patient is different, because it depends on many factors like clinical presentation, risk factors, home conditions, requirement of any supportive treatment, or any vulnerable group of people at home. But in this video, you are going to hear an important advice that will help you out or anybody else to decide if they are or he or she is eligible for home care treatment. Welcome to DSR Studio. First thing is, it depends on clinical presentation. Like if he or she has mild symptoms, like mild presentation, you can say, because the clinical problem, like the clinical presentation of coronavirus is graded based on the severity, like mild, moderate, severe, critical. So if he or she has mild symptoms, mild presentation, what actually is the presentation? Mild presentation. Any symptoms like fever, cough, shortness of breath, headache, sore throat, body pains, tiredness, loss of appetite, you can say. Symptoms vary. Even some patients have diarrhea, vomiting, nausea. If these symptoms are there without pneumonia and without dropping of oxygen saturation in the blood, then those patients can be considered for home care. But we have to look into other factors also. Even some patients with pneumonia, with oxygen saturation more than 90%, they can get a treatment at home. And what is the second factor? Risk factors. Like if the age is less than 60, if the age is less than 60, they are safe. But if the age is more than 60 years and long-term heart problems, kidney problems, or a lung problem, or if he or she is on immunosuppressed treatment, like for any cancer treatment, or if he or she has diabetes, then he or she is not eligible for home care treatment. Make sure these risk factors are not there. And what is the third category? Third factor, you can say, is home conditions. Like if the patient has separate room for himself or herself, and if a caregiver is available who can care for him or her, and there is no risk of transmission in the home, then home care is possible. The next one is any supportive treatment that is required. For example, if the patient requires oxygen, or if the patient requires any kind of injections, then home care is not possible. The last factor is the vulnerable group at home. What does it mean? If the home has, like, if you have got children at home, pregnant women, or anyone who cannot care themselves, then there is a risk of transmission in the family. So make sure these factors are not there. Like generally speaking, mild disease, only symptoms are there, no risk factors, and you can get treated at home because the home condition is good and there are no people who can get affected in the family. Then you can get a home treatment for COVID-19 coronavirus. Other than that, case by case decision has to be made, and for that you have to consult appropriate facility. This video is a part of social initiatives of Shanvika Hospital, Medchil, Telangana. Thanks for watching.